Good morning everybody, I'm Nico, welcome to the channel. Today is the day, I'm super excited. We are picking up the new project car. The owner said he would put it on the driveway. He's gone to work, so yeah, let's go have a look. I have never seen the car before. It's a little bit of a bar find, and today we're gonna see if we can get it home. Alright guys, we got the car at home. It's right here. We towed it all the way back to our place. Here it is. It's a Mark II Golf. It's from '84. It's in pretty good condition on the interior, but the exterior is crusty as toot. So yeah, let's take a quick look. It has been in some kind of accident. I don't know what exactly happened here, but yeah, this fender is totally smashed in. Not sure if we can salvage that. It has some rust on the doors. It's only this one, I don't know why, but it's only on this side of the car that's rusty. As far as I can see, it has some real big crust on it. On the rear, as here, the thing is almost completely gone. Also on the other end. But yeah, that's most of it, because the other side is, like I said, it's pretty clean on the other side. So I think we're pretty good. It's not too bad. It's not too bad, but yeah, you need some work. Probably some of you already wondered why there is a sticker on there. We found out during the towing that there is a wasp nest right in here, and there are pretty big wasps. So we kind of put tape over it. Yeah, I went to the store real quick, bought some spray. I don't know if you can see it, but there are already wasps trying to get out. So yeah, we got the nozzle. Oh, here comes one. I think they're pretty pissed because I'm not a great fan of the wasps, I'm gonna be honest. Or wasps in general. They will try to get out probably, I don't know. Just don't want to get stung. So while this thing does its thing against the wasps, let's have a look on the interior of the car. It started raining a little bit, but yeah, shouldn't keep us from looking inside the car. So as you can see, the car is on the inside is pretty mint condition. It is an automatic. I don't like the automatics, but we can always swap that to a manual. Let's have a quick look at the engine. So the engine is a 1.6 liter gasoline. It has been sitting for like 7-8 years maybe, so there's a lot of things that need checkup. Just want to try starting this, see how it goes. I bought some oil already in preparation, and an oil filter and stuff like that, so it should be fairly easy to try and get it started. I don't know, maybe we should just try to start it up, but I'm so stoked I can't imagine. So what are the plans for this car? The plans for this car are, we are going to cut up the fenders, not to wide arch them, but we are actually going to widen up the fenders ourselves. I'm going to cut the fenders, pull them out so there's a gap on the door side, Those wheels, we are not keeping those wheels. Those wheels are from the guy I bought it from. We only use them to get the car here. So we actually don't have wheels on the car at this moment. Maybe the same for the rear side. We might be doing something to widen up the rear side since we are widening up the fronts. But not sure how exactly or yeah, what are we going to do especially. But the rust, I have a solution for the rust. So the rust in here and the rust over there, we are just thinking about cutting the whole piece out on the rear end of the car and putting a diffuser in it instead. So using all this rust, just taking all the crust out, throw it away, and yeah, make a diffuser instead. I think it would be great. Lose the exhaust on the left hand side and get it over to the right hand side, right in between the diffuser. I haven't seen anybody do that, so yeah, it could be a cool project. Let's make sure the engine turns around, that it's not seized. Yeah. So we jacked up the car, and while the oil leaking out of it, I started preparing the new filter. So I took out the new filter, took out the thingy to undo the filter. I just put a little bit of oil on the O-ring, make sure it's not leaking afterwards. I got a new air filter right here. I got some brand new Valvoline 540 to put in it. We had only 10 volts, so the starter did nothing, but I'm really crossing my fingers that now we have cleared out the connection points that this thing will start. Maybe I have to hit it with a hammer to get it loose. We have to remember it did sit for 10 years, almost 10 years outside for nothing. I'm really crossing my fingers right now. Just want this car to start. We didn't hook up the connection points on the rotor thingy yet, so the car won't start, but I'm really hoping it turns over. That's what we are hoping for right now. Moment of truth. Haven't tried it yet. Putting it in neutral. It's like I always want to shift this thing. God, I hate this automatic. All right, here we go, guys. Fingers crossed. Oh yeah, the car turns over. Yeah, so we checked the car, the engine, we knew it was loose, but we didn't know it turns over. The starter works, I can feel the engine pushing, so it's making compression, I can feel the car moving. That's a really good news. Let's get it started. Fingers crossed.